Hey there, it's Lindsay from Hazel Haven, and in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove the Powered by Squarespace link that you see on your Squarespace site. So right here, you can see it says Powered by Squarespace. Now, I personally leave mine on my website because I have a lot of people ask me, what is your website on? And I don't mind it being there. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I made a demo site to show you how to get rid of that and whatever. So it's really simple. All you do is you go to your site, you go to your main site, you scroll down, and then down here where it says Powered by Squarespace, you hit edit to edit the block. And then you can either hit this trash can or you can come down here and just highlight and delete it. And you can write something else there if you want something else there. Or you can just hit the trash can and say, yeah, I want to get rid of it. And then, oh, sorry, let me move my head. Sorry, put it over here. And then you can just hit save, and then ta-da, it's not there anymore. So another thing that comes up sometimes with new Squarespace sites are the Squarespace badge. So to show that or to get rid of that, you want to come over to this is your little dashboard in Squarespace. You want to hit design, and then right here where it says Squarespace badge, you can click that. And okay, so this is a brand new site, so it's already disabled, so that's awesome. But if you wanted to see what it looked like, you can come here, and now down here it pops up this little thing, and you can see it says Powered by Squarespace, and you can move it so you can have it. See, now it's up here on the top right, and people can know. I don't know why you would really need that on your thing, but you can come in here and change that. Maybe if you're a Squarespace designer, that's helpful to show people that, hey, it was powered by Squarespace and this is your site. I don't know. But anyway, so I don't really want that on this site. So I'm going to come up here and hit disable, and that's it. So hopefully that was helpful. I know that I have another video that's all about how to hide the header and footer. And I know that a lot of people had asked about how to hide the Powered by Squarespace. So hopefully that answers your questions there. But if you have any questions, just pop them in the comments below. And thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.